So what is a program? A computer program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Okay. So program is nothing but a set of instructions. Okay. That will tells the computer what to do. Okay. Then what will happen? This instruction act as a guide. Okay. Ensuring the computer performs the task properly. It performs the specific task. Okay. And moreover, the third point is no, without programs, computers cannot function as they only execute the instructions given to them. Okay. So why? So we just see the computer program is a set of instructions. Why we are giving instruction? So that the computer will follow it. So we are giving instruction so that the computer will follow it, or the other word, the computer will execute it. Okay.